So T3, Targeted Titles and Topics, is it's a special program that it varies. It's not the same thing every place, every time, but it addresses things that are of interest to the members. And today, we covered the staffing guidelines. We had a huge crowd, over 100 people. Goodness knows if we were able to teach them anything, but they seemed to be interested, and that's what made it fun. I think we're going to do it as often as the members demand, and it looks like we're going to be doing it in about 8 or 9 months' time.